morning guys. So it is 7:30 right now. I just woke up and I've woken up a little bit tired today because I was working on some cases last night till 2 o'clock and I had to wake up early because I have to go to Supreme Court today and I have a huge ass pimple on my forehead. Obviously on the day I had to shoot this, धूप में काफी रहना पड़ता है, उसकी वजह से ये सब चीजें होती रहती हैं. But anyway, we have 6 matters in the Supreme Court today, so I will have to run from one court to another. So I'm going to take you all along with me today. For now थोड़ी उठने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Guys, so far I am loving litigation, but it gets super exhausting sometimes, especially on my physical health because it is so hot outside and it is 7:40 right now. सूरज एकदम अपनी प्रचंड रूप में बाहर निकल चुका है. So I'm a little scared to go out. Court vacations are approaching very soon, so I am really excited about that. Also guys, congratulations to everybody who made it to Faculty of Law this time. I'm so happy for you all and it's so cute that you guys DM me and comment on my videos and tell me that you've made it to LC2, LC1, CLC. I really get so happy, I'm not even kidding. I hope you have the most amazing 3 years of your life. And guys, अगर आप में से कोई CLAT 2026 and CLAT 2027 के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहा है या प्लान कर रहा है एग्जाम्स देने के लिए, तो I would say start your preparation right now because टाइम बहुत जल्दी निकल जाता है. और अगर लास्ट मिनट स्ट्रेस से अगर आप लोगों को बचना है तो अभी से स्मार्ट स्टडी स्टार्ट करनी पड़ेगी. और इसमें आपकी हेल्प कर सकता है PW CLAT. PW CLAT is back with its new and fresh batches and अभी PW के सभी batches पे biggest sale चल रही है because physics वाला is celebrating its 5th year anniversary. But this offer is for limited time where you will get 66% off on all its batches. CLAT Riser 2026 batch and CLAT Zenith 2027 batch में आपको मिलेगा live and recorded lectures, experienced faculty with top-notch study material, mock tests, DPPs, PYQs, mentorship sessions and everything else you need to prep for your CLAT exam. और अगर आपको CLAT के साथ साथ 7 other law entrance exams के लिए भी prepare करना है तो go for its pro batches. CLAT Pro 2026 batch and CLAT Zenith Pro 2027 batch. इन batches में आपको वो सब मिलेगा जो आपको regular batches में मिल रहा है. उसके अलावा आपको मिलेगा access to all the upcoming batches, printed modules and PYQs, खजाना पैकेज and much more. और ये सारे बैचेस अभी आपकी स्क्रीन पर हैं. एंड गाइज, इस प्राइस में आपको इतना सब कुछ मिल रहा है तो आई थिंक यू शुड रियली गो फॉर इट. फर्दर, इफ यू यूज माई कूपन कोड AKY500 you will get extra 500 rupees off, which I think is amazing. So I will leave the link to all of these batches in my description box below so that you can go check them out. Enroll yourselves and start preparing for your dream law school. Okay guys, so before I get late, let's get up and let's get ready. So I got ready, had breakfast and left for Supreme Court. I forgot my bottle, so I had to run back to my home and get my water bottle because hydration is very important. And by the way guys, मुझे इतना सारा सामान कैरी करना पड़ता है. गाउन, कोट, बैग, लंच, फाइल्स And if anytime soon I decide to join a gym, it is only because मुझसे files नहीं उठाई जा रही है. But okay guys, since I had so many matters, I was just reading my files and revising. Last minute notes बना रही थी so that I don't forget anything.
जलती है बस, यही चलती रहती होगी.
हाँ.
लेकिन अगर जाम लगे ना फिर दिक्कत करता. लेकिन हमारे को गूगल दिखा. अब हम
Today our matter is in Chief Justice's court and that too item number 2, so I am early today. तो हमारा फर्स्ट मैटर चीफ जस्टिस की कोर्ट में था. एंड बिफोर माई मैटर इस दिन ना प्रोनाउंसमेंट हुई थी जो 3 ईयर मैंडेटरी प्रैक्टिस वाला हुआ है जुडिशरी एग्ज़ाम से पहले. तो आई वॉज देयर प्रेजेंट इन द कोर्ट एट दैट टाइम एंड आई हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग व्यूज़ अबाउट दैट विच आई विल लेट यू नो इन सम अदर वीडियो. बट येस, हमारा फर्स्ट मैटर वहाँ पे हो गया. The second matter in which I was going to argue was a before notice matter, and it was a matrimonial dispute wherein we were challenging the divorce decree, and उसमें notice issue हो गया था. तो I was very happy. The third matter was a LAC matter which was listed in Justice Suryakant's court. And one more matter was listed in court 14, so I was waiting in the waiting room of court number 14 wherein I met a friend of LC2. And to be honest, meeting your college mates in courts is a different type of happiness. Ladies bathroom to take a bag. Excuse me. So guys, I keep all of my stuff, my bag, my lunch and my files in the ladies bar room. And ladies bar room में non-members of the Supreme Court and interns allowed नहीं होते. So if you're a member of the Supreme Court, you can also avail the benefits of the ladies bar room. It is a very nice cozy place जहाँ पे सारी females होती हैं. So it is also a safe space जहाँ पे आप बैठ के अपना काम कर सकते हो, रेस्ट कर सकते हो, लंच कर सकते हो. So I really like that. And all of the couches in the ladies bar room are pink. So it is a pooky room of Supreme Court. So I'm going to show you a glimpse of the ladies bar room. ये आपको कहीं पे भी देखने के लिए नहीं मिलेगा, but ज़्यादा नहीं दिखाऊंगी because I don't want to shove my camera into people's faces जो वहाँ पे अपना normal काम करने आए हैं. So I am just taking my bag and leaving. एंड जब मैं वापस जा रही थी गाइस, ये मेरा पिछले 8 महीनों में पहली बार हुआ है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट की लाइट ही चली गई. तो आई वाज लाइक अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में लाइट जा सकती है तो कहीं पे भी जा सकती है. बट आई एम श्योर कोई ग्लिच होगा. पूरा दिन कोर्ट में बिताने के बाद द थिंग दैट आई नीडेड द मोस्ट वाज कॉफ़ी. सो आई वेंट टू यूटिलिटी लाउंज जहाँ पे मुझे पूरे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बेस्ट कॉफ़ी लगती है. सो आई वेंट देयर. आफ्टर दैट आई हैड टू गो टू द ऑफिस. वहाँ पहुँचते ही मेरे जो ऑफिस बॉय हैं उन्होंने कॉफ़ी बना के रखी हुई थी. सो आई कुडंट से नो. सो आई हैड कॉफ़ी, completed some work. And before leaving the office, I always make sure to look at the cause list, make a list of all the cases that are listed tomorrow, take all the case files, make all the case notes for tomorrow so that I don't have to work till late night. Finally having lunch at 7 p.m. I just got back. I'm in my washroom right now and I'm going to use cleansing balm. So after being in the sun and pollution the entire day, I make sure कि मैं either micellar water या cleansing balm use करूँ to remove all the dirt off my face. और ऐसा लगता है लेयर थी मेरे फेस पे जो हट चुकी है. एंड ओनली आफ्टर दैट आई लाइक टू वॉश माई फेस. So guys, after feeling fresh again, I ordered some snacks. And guys, I was thinking about the pronouncement of judgment today, जो आज 3-year mandatory practice वाला हुआ है judiciary exam के लिए, and it didn't affect me at all because I never planned to give judiciary exam, neither I was preparing for it, but a lot of my friends were, and I was thinking about them, the time they have invested in it, money that they have invested in it. But since I've been practicing in the court for a while now, I know why this judgment has been pronounced and why such decision has been taken. So I have mixed opinion about this, which I would like to talk in detail in some other video, since I'm aware that a lot of you guys were preparing for judiciary as well. So guys, after coming home, I decided to give myself a treat and I made myself Oreo shake, poured it into my glass, and again I had to work to check some interns work, and I also had to format the SLP that I made the day before yesterday so that it can be filed tomorrow, while also chatting with my family, because this is the only family time I also get. And yes guys, this is how my wild Friday night plans look like. Guys, I'm literally so tired. It has been a long day and I know I wasn't able to vlog that well today, but I tried my best. Since I've come home, I had some urgent tasks to complete because I have multiple filings to do tomorrow, and since vacations are approaching, we need the matters to be listed before vacation. So abhi thoda sa urgent hai, so I'm still working on it right now. After that, I'm also reading a book. I'll show you later. Let's call it a day today. If you will want to see my detailed morning routine, my skincare routine / makeup routine, or my post-work routine, just let me know. I will make a detailed video of it. Today was a mix of everything. Some things were there, some things were not there, but still I tried to show you as many things as I could, and I hope you all like this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all next time.